Maybe you can use them at that fantastic waterfront place up at Daly's Point. Wrong driveway, stupid! Are these your mates? That's a fancy looking vehicle, Mavericks. How are you, man of the match? How's Mr. Man of the match? What's going on? Julie's got no idea.
Josie!
Hello.
Look at her smile. Look at her, it's just beam.
This is a surprise.
I don't know. I was pacing up and down the glass here. I didn't know when you're going to turn the corner.
Did you hear us speak when you come across the bridge?
No, I had to go put a blanket on the clothesline really quickly. All right, we're going to go up to a secret destination.
Can we come in?
Yeah, come on up. Good morning, aviators. This is your captain speaking. We have arrived at our destination. We are here. The festival that's called Lithgow. We've been here a number of times in the past just to see the blast furnace, but tonight it's all under fluorescent lights. And there should be some fireworks. Look at the colours. Where'd the others go? There's a band playing. Lots of different food trucks. I'd never heard of this Lithgow prior to this year. I don't know if this is the inaugural event. Look at people climbing up on the rocks over there. It's just illuminated red. How brilliant is that? I'm actually going to do a walkthrough, a tour through. I'll wait till the others are here and then we'll actually walk around the whole premises. Just about to do the walk around Lake Pillans. Looks like they've got it in all the trees down here. Actually comes out really good on the camera. They don't look so vivid when you're walking past them, but on the camera the bright lights look really good. I think they could have put them on a few more trees, huh? Only 3 or 4. Where's Jack with the girls?
My camera, it makes it look actually better than what it is.
Does it? That's what I was saying. There you go. Lithgow. Don't you love the sound of running water?
It's alright.
We're going to get some dinner, but the food trucks are so long, the lines are so long that we thought we'd do this first. And that's it. There doesn't seem to be a lot more down here unless they've gone out. I think they could have put on a few more lights down around Lake Pillans. Maybe they wanted that secluded feeling. Yeah, I do. I've got one here.
You got a laser show.
Yeah, I expected a little bit more lights down here. It's hardly anything. Lake Pillans was a bit of a disappointment. I would have expected there to be a lot more lights. That's a good picture there. The Lithgow sign and the blast furnace surrounds. Don't know where the others are gone. They're probably up on the lookout here.
Someone else would have pissed off there anyway.
So here's the wall down here. A lot of people are getting pictures on. So the kids are actually climbing up on the wall and everyone's getting pictures. Just about to walk past the rainbow wall. Looks like all the kids are getting their kicks climbing. I'm surprised no one's fallen off yet. Surely someone's got to injure themselves tonight. Get up there, Jack. Get up there.
You said I couldn't.
Come on, not all the way up, but just halfway up so we can film you. Where's the girls? Jack, come over with the greenies. You gonna try to make it up?
Oh, mate, I don't really want to die today.
Yeah, I think let everyone else do it.
I'd probably rather do it.
You'll get dirty if you fall down too. There we go. He's come down. He's come down the sheer bit. I don't know why they're allowing kids to do that. They're just damaging the cliff face, really. Alright, we've just found a phone and the lady has just called me. I'm waiting for someone to come through the blast furnace with blue sticks in her hair so I can give her her phone back. We actually got some pretty spectacular pics up the top there. Might actually walk up and see if I can find her. Can't see anyone yet.
Which way?
Oh, we've got some music pumping now as well. Blue sticks in her hair. Can anyone see blue sticks in someone's hair? Maybe she's at the back here, maybe she's walked around. We can't see anyone with blue sticks yet.
We know.
Let's go down. You want to come that way?
Is that up there?
Nah.
What's that?
Did you lose the phone?
Yeah.
You did. I couldn't tell that.
you.
No worries.
Oh, you're the best.
You can thank Jules here. Jules found it.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem.
He's coming back Hi, Geppa! Hi, Baba. You're amazing at that! Be careful!
Did you get some pictures? Can we get them? Another bus coming in. It's about 7 o'clock. Fireworks start at 8. The only downfall of this event is there's not enough eateries and the lines are ridiculous. So what we're going to do is we're going to head into Lithgow, maybe stop in a fancy pizza bar, and then come back and watch the fireworks.